Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a collaborator on your YouTube channel, okay? So first of all you need to do is open your YouTube Studio. To open YouTube Studio, you can go to your profile picture and click right here on YouTube Studio icon. After that, hit content and select a video you want to add a collaborator. I will select this one, and now you can go down on this video and search for this. Hit on this invite a collaborator button, and now all you need to do is put the name of a channel you want to add as a collaborator. So I want to add another channel. You can click on the name of this channel, and you can also select if this collaborator can see analytics or not, so you can turn it on or turn it off. And after that, all you need to do is create a link and send it to the channel owner, okay? Once you send it to the channel owner, it will pop up a text saying to accept the video as a collaborator, and it will appear as a collaborator on your video. If you don't want a collaborator anymore, you can just click on more and remove and hit remove again, okay? If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe to Learn Mode Lab.